So today I'm doing a couple of little touch-ups in my bathroom. I'm going to be using this self-adhesive seal that goes in your bathroom or around your kitchen, and it is a sort of plastic with a groove down there, so you can bend it into corners, so maybe around your bath or around your sink, to give a seal. And it's got a very adhesive peel back sticker there, so when you are ready you can cut it to length and apply it to wherever you think you're going to need it. I'm going to be putting mine around some trouble spots in my bathroom, so I'm going to share that with you and show you how it looks. So these are my ugly trouble spots. I need a seal around the base here for splash prevention, and also I've got this very badly installed bath by a very bad builder, and it's left me with this really just ugly little area here. So I'm hoping just to use some of this stuff just for cosmetics reasons, really, just to make it a little bit tighter until we've got time to fix it permanently. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it to size and lay it down there. I've got a little spatula to help me get it into all the grooves. Now the trick here I've found is, the best way to do it is, as you pull the adhesive off, pinch the groove there that runs along the spine, and then you press that right into the corner as much as you can, and then smooth it out as you go. I've got a little spatula here as well, so I'll be just spatulaing it in at the end to get it nice and flush as I can. But yeah, that seems pretty straightforward. This part here is purely for vanity reasons. The bathtub is bowing, so it's just a temporary measure. So that's not the product, that's just the fact that our bathroom's badly installed. But for vanity reasons, with the shift in the bath, if it only lasts me a couple of months, I'm quite happy. I got happy with that. And this is the bit I'm really pleased about. Push that seal in. It's done a lovely job. It looks nice and crisp. Definitely an improvement, even if that's just for vanity reasons. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's done a good job, and it was very quick and very easy.